Indica. Go. Indica. Here. I want to get you smiling. Go. Sit. No. Sit. Show me your teeth. No. Sit. Sit. Show me your teeth. Speak. Shh. Down. Roll over. Show me your teeth. No. Speak. Okay. Show me your teeth. You stupid bitch. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Sit. Good morning too. Shut the fuck up. Goddamn. Here. Two. Alright, buenos dias. Day 14. Being sober. Fucking bought a barbecue for 3 days in a row. That would be fucking 4th of July. Last night with my videos. And then today again, my cousin that couldn't make it yesterday said she wants to come today and do another barbecue. So there it is. The way I see it is temptations all the way around, but Jesus, God, the world keeps giving me things to do to get distracted. So that's my outlook on it. Fuck, oh man, look at all these pimples because when I fucking sweat. Ugh. But look at this bitch. You hungry trying to get the shit out of the bag? You stupid ass. And all you want to do is fucking plate. But yeah, I got a whole mess to clean up again. Just to make more of a mess right now. This is day 14. Stay strong.